What is up people, this is Vasish and in this video I'll be showing you how to flash your BIOS using the ethOS software. It has pre-installed ATIflash tool and hence we'll be using it. So the first thing that will run is sudo ATIflash -i. So using this command you will see all the GPUs connected to the motherboard and it would show its adapter number which would help you to flash them. The only problem being here is that the limit is set to 9 and hence any cards above 9 you'll have to unplug 2 or more cards and then you'll be able to flash them. Now this next command sudo ATIflash -ai, it will show you all the information. This could take a few seconds to a minute to just show up and this will show you everything: the AC family, the flash type, the product name, BIOS number, etc. Now the next thing we'll run is sudo ATIflash -s and then the GPU number. But as we move 2 down and hence we'll just type in -i and then we'll go for -s and let's try to flash GPU number 3. So we'll type in 3 space and then the name of the BIOS that we want to save. So these are MSI cards and hence MSI 588G Samsung memory and this is the original BIOS. So I'll just save it as ori.rom and just click on enter. This would make the copy of this BIOS and save it on the home/ethOS location. You can see over here it's written there. Let me find it. There, MSI 588G sam ori.rom. So now the next thing to do would be to open up WinSCP. Now that is the tool that I use to copy files to and from a desktop PC to ethOS. So we'll just log into the IP. Seems like this is the wrong one. Let me just double check it again. So it's 0.169 and hence we'll just double click on 169. And then we'll just copy the MSI 580 file over to WinSCP into the documents folder, and from here I would just transfer it to another temporary folder from where I'll be able to access it. Now let's open up PolarisBiosEditor. Now this is the important part. I showed this in an earlier video and it is the same thing. We'll just open up the BIOS file, then let me just go through it once again. This will show all the values that are set or preset in the BIOS and we won't be changing it. And as we know that most of the GPUs come with hybrid images and hence two memory types, the Samsung and the Hynix one. The number 1 straps are from the Samsung one and the 2 straps are from the Hynix one. So we'll just click on one-click timing patch button again. There is this one. Just click it once. Now it shows that Samsung memory found on index 1 and it's applying UberMix 3.1 timings. The same goes for the Hynix part. Okay, and now if we see the timing straps from 1500 to 2250 are all the same for both number 1 index and number 2 index. We'll just save this file as modded.rom. That's it. That's all you got to do. Now let's jump back to sending this file again. I transferred this file to the documents folder, and from here I'll be just copying it over to the ethOS drive. Now the cool thing about this software is that it lets you transfer files over SSH, and hence it's easier for us. We don't have to plug in the USB drive to copy and paste things. Bear with me over here, I'm just dealing with some lag as this rig is halfway around the world. VNC problems. But seems like I didn't copy the file, so I'll just go back and copy it. See, no files. We'll just drag and drop it. There, the file is sent. Now we'll just go back to putty. If we type in ls, now we will be able to see the files. There. One is the original one and one is the modded one. So now the only thing left to do is use the ATIflash tool again, and hence sudo ATIflash -p for put, then 3, because it is the GPU from where we took the BIOS, and the name MSI588G7_modded.rom. Now it says that it is already flashed because because this is the same BIOS that I used. But if it is not the same one, then it would flash it. And if it throws out any error, it means that you are using the wrong GPU or the wrong BIOS, and hence you'll have to check it again. And make sure not to use the force flag, as we don't want to break the BIOS or the GPU. So thank you people for watching this video. Like this video or dislike it. Subscribe to the channel, share it, go through my other videos, and see you next time. Tada!